Hello students, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in subject English, Standard 1. Let's start. Our topic is planting a tree. Look at the picture carefully. Children, what can you see in this picture? You can see a picture of a boy. You know children, what is his name? His name is Matt. M-A-T, Matt. Now let's see the next picture. This is a picture of a girl. Yes or no? And name is Tam. T-A-M, Tam. What is it? T-A-M, Tam. Let's move on. Children, have you seen this animal somewhere? Think and tell me. Yes, you have seen this animal so many times. Yes or no? Sometimes in your house, on the roadside, especially where do you see the animal? Yes, H-O-L-E, hole. So, it is a rat, or you can say a mouse. Yes or no? So, it lives in the hole. Children, look at the picture carefully. What can you see in this picture? Yes, it is a picture of soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Children, you have seen this soil, yes or no? When we want to plant the tree, we need soil. Yes or no? Near to your house. Yes or no? When you plant a small tree or when you want to plant any small plant nearby your house or garden. Yes or no? So that time you can see this soil. S-O-I-L, soil. Now, observe this picture carefully. It is again a picture of a plant, a small plant. Children, do you remember when your mother, especially when you are having a small garden in your house, where your mother puts the seeds of anything, and when you give water daily and when you give sunlight also, the small sprouts come first and then it forms a small plant. Yes or no? So this is also a small plant. P-L-A-N-T, plant. Now children, when this plant grows into so many branches, it also gets its big trunk and so many shading leaves, it turns into a tree. Okay, and this is a picture of a plum tree. P-L-U-M, plum, T-R-E-E, tree, plum tree. Children, let's see the new words with their meanings and uses. First word is D-I-G, dig. As you can see in the picture, the man is digging the earth. Yes or no? So, this is a picture of dig. D-I-G. Now, let's see what is it meaning. Its meaning is to move the earth and make a hole in the ground. And the sentence is, the ground is too hard to dig. Now, let's see the next word. The next word is, yes, H-O-L-E, hole. That is an empty space. So, the sentence is, the mouse live in the hole. Children, you can see in the picture very clearly. Children, look at the picture very carefully. What do you think all of them are doing? Or can you guess where they all are? Yes, they all are in the garden. Children, in your house also, near to your house, you are having a small garden, no? So same way, these all are also having a garden. And they all are doing, yes, they all are doing the planting work, the tree plantation. You can see the girls are standing with the sample of plants in their hand, and mother and father are also helping the girls. You can see there are small pots where they are planting the trees. So children, you all also, when you are helping your mummy or daddy while doing this work, so these two girls also helping mother and father for planting the tree. Let's see next. Now, our lesson name is planting a tree. Let's see what is there in the lesson. First, I will read the lesson and then I will explain you. Planting a tree. Tam and Matt are at home. Father and mother are at planting a tree. Tam and Matt help. Mother digs a hole. Father helps to dig a hole. Tam and Matt put the plum tree into the hole. Tam and Matt put soil in the hole. Now the plum tree is planted. So children, this is a small lesson where you can see Tam, Matt, father and mother. They all are in the garden. Children, you all have near to your house a small space where you plant the trees in the pots or directly in the ground. If you are living in the small house, you don't have the garden, but especially in the village side, you all have the small garden. It's also called as courtyard, the back place of the house where you can plant the trees. So here Tam and Matt, both of them are today at home, and their father and mother is also at home. So they are doing the work of planting the trees. And in this work, mother and father is also helping them. Mother digs the hole. Father helps to dig a hole. Then Tam and Matt put the plum tree in the hole. Tam and Matt, after that, they cover the hole with the soil and the plum tree is planted. So, they have saw some seeds or they have planted the small plum tree. Now, they will give water them daily and there can be sunlight every day, air, enough. All these things are enough for the plant to grow. So the plant or the seed will sprout after a few days and we will have a big tree. So children, in this way, the tree is planted. Go further. Let's start with the activity. Children, let's see your activity. Rearrange the letters to form a new word. Now children, in this you are having the letters. You have to make a meaningful new word. As you can see, the first one, O-I-S-L. So, think children, what we can make? Yes, you can make a new word, S-O-I-L, soil. Second one, O-L-H-E. So, we can make H-O-L-E. Third one, O-E-H-M. We can make H-O-M-E. Next one, S-D-G-I. So we can make D-I-G-S, digs. So children, like this way you all can practice forming the new words. You will have the letters here and there, so you can arrange them in a proper way and make a meaningful new word. See your homework. Now it is your homework time. Answer the following questions. First one, who are at home? Children, in this lesson, who are at home, you have to give the answer. So the answer is Tam and Matt are at home. Second question, who digs the hole? And the answer is Mother digs the hole. Next one, who puts the soil in the hole? The answer is Tam and Matt put the soil in the hole. Children, I hope so you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.